Hi, it's Juliet. Finally, your dream of having a beautiful green wall is coming true. With the new and the coolest Lechuza self-watering green wall collection. Putting together a green wall is fun and easy. I will show you two options how you can use this new product and what type and size of plants you need to put your dream wall together. All you need for putting together the green wall display is available in our online shop at mycityplants.com. Let me quickly introduce myself. I am the founder of My City Plants and have been working with self-watering Lechuza planters for more than 8 years. I love these plants not just because they look chic and modern, but also because they are very practical and save a lot of time when it comes to taking care of plants. With the green wall collection, you can create a colorful, beautiful green display above your couch. Finally, have a wall herb garden in your kitchen. Add some plants to the bathroom, of course, only if you have a window there. Look at the gorgeous plants instead of a blank wall when sitting behind your desk. There are two ways you can create your green wall with green wall collection. Option number 1, buy the green wall set. The set comes with a metal bar and 2 screws. It also comes with 3 very powerful magnetic brackets, 3 cube 14 planters, and 3 wick stick. All these planters, they have a wick stick watering system. That's when the water gets transported from the reservoir into the potting mix via the wick stick, that little piece of rope here. The green wall set is available in 3 colors: glossy white, glossy charcoal, and glossy red. I will show you how to put this thing together on the wall in a few minutes. Option number 2, mix and match. Purchase planters separately. Each planter comes with a wick stick, then you would need 1 bracket per planter and a metal bar. 1 bar holds maximum of 3 planters. When you buy things separately, you have more color options to choose from. So if you like to mix things up, this option is for you. Here's the color availability that we have for Cube 14. Glossy red, slate, glossy cashmere, white, glossy cherry pie, and glossy charcoal. You can also use Canto 14 to create your green wall. And Canto 14 cube is available in gray, beige, and granite black. You see lots of options here with a mix and match approach. So how does it work? The metal bar goes on the wall. You can put it on the wall vertically or horizontally, and the screws are provided for you to attach the metal bar to the wall. If you're putting the plate vertically, just like this, you can only fit 2 planters in this position. Magnetic bracket easily goes on the planter, and this bracket, oops, you see it's a really powerful magnet. It holds the planter in place. It's very secure. You really need to put a lot of force in order to remove it. Simple, like this. Wick stick goes inside nursery pod, and then plant is placed inside the planter. Let me get another plant for the second planter. The wick stick is already in, and I'm just simply going to place this plant inside the planter, and this is it. By the way, these powerful magnetic brackets can attach to any metal surface like file cabinet, refrigerator, or a metal memo board. As you can see behind me, all the planters are holding onto the wall without any metal bar. This wall is used to be our magnetic pin board, and we have a special metal sheets installed and then just painted over, and that is why the magnetic bracket securely holds to this wall. Let's talk about plants. The best fit for this planter size is 4.75-inch plants. The most common size that you can find almost anywhere is a 4-inch plant. As you can see, the 4-inch pot is way too small for this planter, and it's very loose, very unstable. I recommend repotting all the small plants into a 5-inch planter. so it fits perfectly, and then the plant will be more stable. All the plants behind me, they're all repotted in a 5-inch planter. 4.7 5-inch nursery pods can be purchased on Amazon. In this video description, I have provided a link to the page where you can find all different sizes of nursery pods. To create more interesting design, I suggest to mix cascading plants like Hoya and pothos with some colorful plants like arrowheads and crotons. Add some plants that have an interesting leaf pattern like calathea, or like interesting stems like braided money tree. And for the wow factor, some blooming plants like anthuriums and orchids. If you prefer to have your plants potted instead of keeping them in their original nursery pot, it can be done with wick planting plate. This plate goes at the bottom of the planter. Let me show you. And then the plant can be potted in the pot. Watch my video how to grow plants in Cube 16, Cube 14 and Canto 14 planters to learn how to water plants in planters with wick watering system and how to pot plants using the planting plate. I hope you are as excited as I am. What are you waiting for? Go, green out that wall. Wait, before you go. Like this video if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep the notifications on so you do not miss any new videos about plant care, plant decor, and much more. Thank you for watching and have a green day.